So, you just got an invitation to a formal event. Yay! This is gonna be fun! And then you find out that the formal event has a theme. Superheroes! What? How are you supposed to pull that off? How do you look classy wearing a cape or lugging a giant hammer? After a little thought, you've got it. Yeah, Tony Stark could definitely rock a tux and still have that arc reactor glow shining through. Time to get creative. Yeah, I'm gonna make an arc reactor. Time to dust off the old Printrbot 1405 that I built a few years back. After some time in an ancient 1-2-3D design installation, and using a more recent Cura installation, my printer gave me something useful. But why this particular design? You see, I had an original Adafruit Circuit Playground laying around, and it was perfect for the project. The onboard LEDs and sensors just made it a breeze. It was time to start coding. That is, of course, the fun part. After a couple hours of writing, compiling, debugging, I thought I came up with a program I could be sure would give me an interesting animation. All I needed were a few additional components that were laying around the house. A soft cotton cord for a neck strap, a piece of copy paper to make a light diffuser. I was lazy and didn't make the screw together, so I needed some super glue to join the two pieces, and some two-sided tape to mount the playground to the base. And to power it all, I used a small lipstick power pack. This turned out to be major overkill. The 3,350 mAh lithium cell kept the arc reactor running for days. And ta-da! The final product. It doesn't look like much here, but in action, underneath a shirt with animations running, it seems to fit the bill. Here's a video of the first test. The animation I coded pulses in the color of the arc reactor for 10 cycles. The color I chose for the arc reactor was Hex 40C0FF. I think it looks pretty good through that t-shirt, and it's plenty bright. After those pulses, the lighting rotates counterclockwise. Then it pulses again, then the rotation moves clockwise. Finally, it loops back to the start. I also coded in a special animation that activates on high sound levels. I was pretty pleased with my special pulsing red that blasts to white at its conclusion. And here it is in action. It works! With just a few caveats. As you saw in the video, my red animation triggered a little too easily from the loud music. That's a simple change in the code to make. What the video doesn't show well is that you can see the arc reactor pattern really well in person. Unfortunately, the video does show that my dancing skills are somewhat lacking. Next project, dance augmentation. I think that's going to take a while.